Public money, public truth, let's check the receipts. 125 million versus 545 billion. Ang ingay sa maliit pero tahimik sa malaki. Before we take sides, let's check the receipts. I read a viral post claiming only 20% of project funds reach actual work and 80% end up in kickbacks. It also says the real scandal isn't the Vice President's 125 million confidential fund, but the 545 billion flood control budget. Malakas ang claim, so let's double check. Yes, confirmed, Sara Duterte served as DepEd Secretary and NTF-ELCAC co-vice chair in 2023. Then resigned in 2024. In 2022, her office received 125 million in confidential funds. That later became part of an impeachment, pero on July 25, 2025, the Supreme Court voided it as unconstitutional. Ayon sa report ng Philstar, GMA, ABS-CBN at Reuters. From July 2022 to May 2025, about 545.64 billion went to flood control projects. Even President Marcos admitted 15 contractors cornered around 100 billion, about 20% of the total, reported by Inquirer and ABS-CBN. At oo, may ghost projects in Bulacan. Senate hearing revealed 85 projects worth 5.9 billion under Wawaw Builders Inc. that never existed. Kahit si DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan umamin. Covered by GMA News and Inquirer. Pero ito ang mali sa FB post. Sabi doon, 20 million Filipino children were victims of online exploitation. Ang totoo, the Disrupting Harm study says 20% of internet-using teens aged 12 to 17 experience abuse. Meanwhile, UNICEF estimated around 2 million children were victimized in 2021, not 20 million. Still alarming pero dapat tama ang datos. Yung sinasabing 80% na pupunta sa bulsa, wala pang COA report na nagpapatunay niyan. May mga senador na nagsabing may alleged 20 to 25% cuts before project starts. Pero hanggang ngayon, allegations lang yan. Kaya tama ang ginagawa ng COA, fraud audit at Senate probe, to separate allegations from hard proof. So ano ba talaga ang real scandal? Number 1, confidential funds kahit sa Office of the President na may 4.5 billion CIF needs stricter rules and reporting, ayon sa Philstar at ABS-CBN. Number 2, flood control projects, hundreds of billions require full specs, feasibility studies, and site verification. Even DPWH admitted na maraming kulang sa proseso. Mga kabilik, this is not Marcos versus Duterte. This is taxpayer versus corruption. What we need, publish all COA audits and project specs. Blacklist and prosecute firms with ghost projects. Transparent contract tracking, budget, timeline, before and after photos. And one standard of accountability to all CIF, whether 125 million or 4.5 billion. Mga kabalik, emotions run high because lives, education, and safety are on the line. Pero kung fact at lente natin, hindi tayo maliligaw. Public money, public truth. Tayo ang boss. And everything I share comes from verified reports. Philstar, GMA, ABS-CBN, Inquirer, UNICEF, and Senate hearings. So we stay neutral and safe.